looks like.
There he goes.
Wow.
Well, look at that one.
Oh.
That's so cool.
Wow. It's kind of like he picked up his skirt and he's gonna run. Wow.
There he goes.
Cool.
Yeah, I didn't know Olympic could move that fast.
Wow. Yeah, he got his little tube feet on there. Because those ones out at the end, they've got to be able to smell each other.
Sure seems like it. It's a quick reaction.
It's so cool.
There he goes.
He's actually moving backwards. You can see right here, this is his little tentacle in the front. That
Okay.
one, darker one.
Okay. Huh.
So he's kind of squishing around backwards. I didn't know they did that.
Kind of looks like he's trying to maybe turn around too.
Yeah. Slow motion.
It's really pretty.
High alert. That was little.